We have here Tata Ruben, our our lead. That's really nice. So it's nice to visit your relatives in the farm because you get to pass by really beautiful places like this. Oh, can you see that? Rice paddies. And that bird, wow. Let's go. This pathway is more steady. And you can see the water. That's a kaririga. There. It supplies the farms and also supplies the households in the area, giving them potable water, etc. Okay, these rocks are signs of an ancient eruption by the majestic Mount Isarog. So there. This part we have a nice pathway, but in some areas we don't. Yeah, there are the rocks. Can you see those rocks? Signs of ancient eruptions by Mount Isarog. Place to actually forage at night. Okay, so this is the countryside in the Philippines, in Bicol. Okay. There. Down there is the water source. Water. This mountain is really so full of water and the wildlife. This is actually a wildlife reserve, a forest reserve. Here we have rice paddies. Beautiful. Now we get to enjoy rice in the city. It comes from a really beautiful place like this. It's quite deep right now because of the rains a few weeks ago. Heavy rains. So let's proceed. I'm carrying with me a cane and a bag full of sugar to be used as ingredient. The place where we're going. There. Yep. This play area is quite dry. The pathway is quite dry, unlike in the previous pathway. This part has been irrigated, developed. Okay. It's Tata Ruben, actually a farmer, carpenter, artisan, this a wood carver, and also a bushcraft expert. You can consider him a bushcraft expert. He's doing the lead for today. countryside. The beauty of the countryside. See, you can imagine doing some bushcraft activities there. Really nice. Here, Ruben is checking out the background. And the area is scanning the. He is scanning the scene. There. People here have built some sort of causeways, footbridges. There. That is. Serving as irrigation for the farms and also serving as passageway. More. So here's electric line. So people could have access to electricity. Yeah, more of the Peririga. More face mask there in the middle of the rice paddy. Signs of the times. Yeah. Some birds on a wire. Let's proceed or hike halfway. Rice palay. So that's palay. For those who are not from Southeast Asia watching this, how it looks like. This is where we get the palay. These are rice paddies, palay farms. The wind is fresh, air is fresh, wind is cool. It's been very cold up here for the past days and weeks. Yeah, it seems to be a hog farm and some fighting cocks and some ducks. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. Another pathway. Mountain flowers. We are passing by a household here. Right, Jason here for the Hagbayon channel and TMS Talks. Join me again for more videos on the outdoors, blade culture, the country, off-grid, music, and other related activities. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword. Thank you.